Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Epson printer to Wi-Fi. First, power on your printer and make sure it is fully initialized. Then, locate the control panel or touchscreen on your printer. From there, you will need to find the network settings or Wi-Fi setup option. This is the crucial first step to getting your printer online and ready for wireless printing from any device on your home network. Once you are in the network settings, look for an option like Wi-Fi Setup Wizard and select it. Your Epson printer will then begin scanning for all available wireless networks in its vicinity. A list will appear on the screen. Carefully identify and select your specific home Wi-Fi network from this list to proceed with the connection process. This ensures your printer attempts to join the correct network. After selecting your network, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the network key or passphrase. Use the printer's physical or on-screen keypad to type in your password. Remember, Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive, so accuracy is very important. Double-check your entry before confirming. Once confirmed, the printer will attempt to establish a connection with your chosen network. Upon successful connection, your Epson printer will display a confirmation message, often stating "connection successful" or similar. You might also see a steady green Wi-Fi indicator light or a specific icon on the display, signifying a stable wireless connection. At this point, your printer is fully connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can now enjoy the convenience of printing wirelessly from any computer, tablet, or smartphone on the same network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.